This mound.
Yeah. With Tequila Fair.
Yeah. I think it'll help for these videos for people to like see the contrast of like how deep this stuff exactly is. That's like 100 tequilas.
That's over there.
Yeah.
There, it's like over us.
Yeah.
Sable's just eating it.
Come, Sable. I can only imagine what it's going to be like at the park. I don't know like how we'll be able to get in to like where she likes to run around.
I know.
Because like, I mean, no one's probably messed with that, you know? It could be like 15 feet deep.
People taking videos over there too.
Yeah, everywhere you go, like, obviously downtown, like near like the universities, people are like not having class and they're all just walking around taking pictures.
You're doing a pretty good job at keeping the streets up.
Yeah. Like around the library, the guys were, like as stuff would come off the sides of the library, they kept like having to like clear the sidewalks, like as clumps fall down.
This guy in the hospital just kept going in circles around the hospital, sweeping the sidewalk, but he'd come back to the beginning and be pulling it.
Like a plow?
No, with a
shovel?
Shovel. He's like, I've been out here forever.
I saw some people like with shovels that looked like did not seem like they would be like the likely shovel candidates. They're like some girl, like this, it looked like a girl like worked like at a retail store, like a show. It's like, this is hard, I'm hot. Yeah, there's like trash cans that are completely just gone. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of disappeared cars.